Hello students, this is Manisha Tomar and today we will discuss about the another type of bond, that is coordinate bond or dative bond. My dear student, before watching this video, just watch another video of my channel, that is what was the need for chemical bonding, what is chemical bonding and chemical bond, how many types of chemical bonds in chemistry. We have discussed about the electrovalent bond, covalent bond, and in this part we will discuss coordinate bond and dative bond. What is coordination bond? Coordination bond is a special type of a covalent bond. Then what is covalent bond? Covalent bond is formed by the equal sharing of electrons or mutual sharing of electrons between two species. For example, if we have Cl2, then Cl has the 17 electronic configuration 2, 8 and 7. Both chlorine has the 7 electron in its valence shell. Then one chlorine has the 7 electrons. I am here explaining with the help of dot structure. These are the valence electron. If this chlorine share one electron with this chlorine, it will form 8 electron configuration, which is a stable electronic configuration. Same as this chlorine takes one electron from this another atom of chlorine, that is also form the stable electronic configuration according to argon. So in this condition, chlorine has the electronic configuration in which by the sharing of one electron covalent bond is formed. Here Cl bond is formed where, because here one electron sharing is going on, so it will be single bond. If sharing of 2 electrons will be there, that will be double bond, and if sharing of 3 electrons in covalent bond, that was called triple bond. So this is the covalent bond. But today we will discuss coordination bond or dative bond, because this is a special type bond of covalent, just as covalent bond, in which one atom shared a pair of electrons. In pure covalent bond, equal sharing or mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms takes place, but in coordination bond, one atom shared a pair of electrons to the other electron deficient atom or species. That means one atom has the lone pair or excess of electrons, a pair of electron in excess, while other is electron deficient. Then electron rich atom or group shared a pair of electron to the other electron deficient species and form a bond which is called coordinate bond or covalent bond. Atom which contribute means give electrons to the other atom, that is called donor, and it is called according to Lewis base. And the atom which accept a pair of electrons called acceptor, which is called Lewis acid. Lewis acids are electron acceptors. Acceptor means that are electron deficient species, while donors are electron bases, means they are electron rich species according to Lewis acid base theory. Coordinate bond represents by an arrow pointing from donor to acceptor atom. Now we will see one example here. In BF3, my dear student, BF3 is an electron deficient group which is called Lewis acid. Molecule boron is electron deficient atom. How? Just see with the help of dot structure. Boron has the electronic configuration 5 and its valence, it contains valence electrons 2 and 3, means 3 valence electrons, which is indicated here with the help of cross sign. And fluorine has 7 electrons. When this fluorine shared 1 electron with boron, it formed covalent bond and completed its octet. It also completed its octet, and this fluorine also, means all fluorines complete their octets by sharing 1 electron with boron. But boron, after taking 3 electrons from 3 bromine, it also it has also 6 electrons, means it has incomplete octet. So it is electron deficient species. Another case of nitrogen ammonia, where ammonia contains a lone pair of electron in which 3 hydrogens shared one electron with nitrogen, and still one pair of electron is extra on the nitrogen, which is called lone pair, and this contains 2 to 8 complete its octet, but here 2 electrons are unshared, which are called electron pair. When this nitrogen, which is electron rich, is called, this is Lewis acid according to Lewis base theory, and this is Lewis base. Electron rich species are called Lewis base, and electron deficient species are called Lewis acids. When nitrogen gives, means ammonia gives a pair of electrons to the boron and form bond, that is called this pair of electron is shared with B. This type of bond is called coordination bond, in which one species give a pair of electron to the another species which is electron deficient in nature. In this condition, boron complete its octet and nitrogen already complete its octet. Here ammonia is the electron donor, means Lewis base, while BF3 is electron acceptor, means Lewis acid. So this type of bonds are called coordinate bonds or dirty bond. We can see another example, different examples of coordination bond, like in H2SO4 2 coordination bonds are here, and many examples. The compounds coordination bond basically found in coordination compound, which is a different in coordination compounds, which are also called complex compounds. We will discuss complex compound in next videos, and some videos of the coordination compounds I have already uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can watch my YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribe my channel up to now, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for getting more videos. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt in coordination bond and any other bond, just comment me and ask your queries. Thank you so much.